So what's up, Gerald? Try to, man. Looking at these gold longs though. Overnight, finna see what's up. I almost messed up. I had my dashboard on the wrong screen. But you too, man. Good luck to you too, man. Wish you the best. See if we could take some change out of these markets tonight. Yep, trying something new tonight, Premi. What's going on with you, man? Everything good? That's what's up. Same here, stalking this gold long. How you do today in the markets? That's what's up, man. Yeah, you gotta enjoy it. It's definitely a long one. It'd be cool if it was pretty quick. I took a baby scalp, just 7 points on SPY. That's not bad. See money, take money. Yeah, 5 seconds. That's OD. Hell yeah. And the markets wasn't showing that much love today either, though. It was kind of range bound. Even though it was bullish, it was still like rangy. I didn't trade New York. Last night I bought a new combine. I put 1,500 in that. Later on the night, if I could get this gold trade to play out in the XFA, I'll try to pass that combine too. Yeah, I think everybody gonna be pretty much waiting on Nvidia earnings next week to determine market direction. Like that's also a potential play. But I'm kind of bullish. Like I've been bearish on Nasdaq, but I was looking at the charts. I kind of could see Nasdaq pumping tonight. It looked like it's already started. It took out these highs. I'm kind of bullish on Nasdaq. We got these equal highs up here. We could probably come up here on NQ, like to 318, 318. So I don't know. I'm gonna see. Might have to let this gold long bias go, cause ew, I don't like that rejection. Yeah. It's like and that's why I'm kind of trying to take advantage of overnight price action, cause like the good trending moves tend to happen overnight. So if I could catch me a decent trending move in the overnight, I'll leave New York for the vultures. Yeah, that is true. Yeah, I mean, it looks pretty bullish. Like when I look at the medium and the medium and the low time frames, it look pretty bullish. I can make a case for both directions, but at the moment, I'm pretty bullish. Like, I don't know, I'll see. Right now, I kind of flipped my bias. Like, you know, I was bearish on NQ, bullish on gold, but now I'm pretty bullish on NQ as well as gold. That's if gold could get up there to its high day. Like if we could take out yesterday's high in gold, I think it got a lot of room. But I mean, if it breaks down here, I got levels a little bit lower to try to rebuy from. But I'm trying to get this gold long here a shot. But I do have a level a little lower that might be a better buy. Like around, where is that level at? like in the 936, somewhere down there. If it wanted to sell off, it could go to like 21,936. Is that right? I wouldn't like to see it go way down there, but yeah, 29.36. About 20 points lower. If we lose these lows we just put in, I could see it selling off down there. NQ, I'll have to look at that chart again, but right now I'm trying to focus on gold. I think of the two, out of NQ and gold, if they both bullish, gold should give me the least choppy price action, even though right now it's giving me hell. But like if gold right now can get above 953, if we can get above 953, this general level right here, break those highs, I think it'll be good. Yeah, it is crazy, but it's directional. That's what I do like about it. It sucks when you're wrong and it's directional, but when you catch it and you're right and it's directional, it pays off pretty nicely. Yeah. Every now and then you'll catch like a chop range on gold, and that could be difficult to navigate. I'm hoping this ain't one of them, but I'm starting to feel like I'm about to lose my support right here. Like I really don't want to take out these lows down here. I'm kind of looking for an immediate push up. SMMRQ, what is that? I'm not familiar with that. What is SMMRQ? Oh, okay. What's that? Topstep, most definitely. I'm a big fan of Topstep. I drank the Kool-Aid when it comes to Topstep. I feel like a lot of the other prop firms, especially Apex, they dangle a carrot, but they whack you with the stick. You know, they feel a little predatory with the rules. But I mean, and even Topstep lately have been going through some rule changes, but I don't feel like it's to the detriment of the trader. Topstep's rules, though, I mean, Apex's rules, one is too many of them. So like when you're actually in an active trade, depending on your trading style, and one, all right, so two things. First, they only cater to scalpers. Like you can't be a trend trader or, you know, hold anything for any duration because of their rules, right? Because if you have on any amount of size really, and you're holding for a trend with the trailing drawdown that locks to your high a day, you could be in profit and still, experience a rule violation. So with that said, they catered us to scalpers, but then it's like you have so many rules you got to be conscious of. And if you're scalping and you got all these rules, trading the market as it is hard enough, let alone worrying about if I'm breaking some random rule. And I tell you what you do. If you want to know, take the rule set for Topstep and take the rule set for Apex and put it in both of them in the Chat GPT and ask Chat GPT to weigh the pros and cons of both and which one if it feels like it's more predatory, and that'll break it down a little bit better. But yeah, I'm a fan of Topstep. I'm not gonna lie, I love Topstep. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good way to get through all the fine print, and because they dangle cheap accounts right in front of your face, and you're like, oh yeah, I could just get a lot of these and I'm gonna do good. All I gotta do is trade right. But yeah, Top is legit. One, is the oldest, the first prop, online prop firm, and two, they're like 100% transparent, right? So like, they even have Topstep TV, their Discord, what I'm saying, and if they have problems, they're transparent about those too. The only prop firm with a live tech support, so they got an actual phone number you could call if you have issues, right? They pay out, like I mean, everything has their issues, but I don't know. Topstep is top tier with me. I'm happy with Topstep. Yeah, yeah. Do your research, find out what you'll be comfortable with, but I'm a big fan of Topstep. It looked like I just missed the exit. Yeah, I done got over 10K in payouts from Topstep last year. Got all my money. Yeah, I'm happy with Topstep. Topstep's the only prop firm I actually got a payout from. I mean, some people love Apex and the like, but I don't know. I'm a big fan of Topstep. Like the CEO himself will come live on Topstep TV. Like, you could try to. Sometimes he'll respond back in the YouTube chat on Topstep TV. Like there's a lot of support. The Discord, the people that are on Topstep TV, you could find them right in the Topstep Discord. You could, reach out to them, add them in chat. Like, it's 100% transparent. They're not hiding it. I mean, even look at the traders, that trade the house account on Topstep TV. They take losses, they transparent with and that's what I like. They don't act like everybody wins. They have a trading psychologist come on. They actually, it's in their best interest for traders to trade well. What's good, SB? But yeah, I'm a big fan of Topstep when it comes to props. I think I missed my exit on one of these micros. I hope we get back up there. What you got going tonight, SB, man? That's what's up. Yeah, it's really just a moving average of the the distance between the top wick and the bottom wick, but it's important for something like this. Like say I was getting long at this level. Well, yeah, shit. God damn it, I hate I missed my exit. Let me lock in and see what I'm finna do with this trade. If I'm finna take the full stop out or get out here. Because I didn't want it to come back down here. But yeah, ATR is good when you want to account for like wicks and stuff below a level. It's all good, man. That's the thing with trading. It's always your choice. I seen it when it was up there, but I was also greedy at the same time. All right, SB. I'm not looking at NQ though tonight. Well, I am. It's on the back burner. I'm kind of bullish on NQ. But right now I'm focused on trying to catch this gold long. Yeah, I really do. It went right up there to that level I was talking about, but it rejected though. I wanted to break above that level. I don't like that rejection. Tonight, I just had chili dogs, man. I kept it light. I got some hamburger meat taken out. Like, if I could get in profit and put me a decent stop in, I might go fry me some hamburger patties and make me a little hamburger or something. Maybe cut up some potatoes and make some fries, but I didn't do too much tonight. I was too lazy to even put the chili in with, chili dogs. So that's what I actually wanted. Yeah, I had pizza this weekend. I had 2 of them actually, and I got kind of burnt out on that. I really want something hearty. I don't know. Hamburger and fries, not bad though. Pizza is not bad either. What kind of toppings you put on your pizza? And don't say pineapples. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's horrible, man. Yeah. It probably has something to do with all that rain. It was a lot of rain and bad weather this weekend across the nation.
Order filled.
God damn it, man. That's what's up. I think I'm gonna get back in this trade. I'm not satisfied with that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nah, it's not tilt time. It's just, it didn't go nowhere. It wicked this low. Probably is tilt time, but no. Yeah, that's what I should do, right? I'm already past that point. It was supposed to lock me out at 250. Yeah, I'm probably finna lock in though, and watch this real quick, make some decisions. You're right though. It's probably not healthy habits what I'm doing. I know it's not, but it's also not bearish. I'm finna focus on the trading real quick though. No, it's all good. Finna watch it. Not all the time. Sometimes I'll pay attention to them, but it's not like sometimes. It depends on whether or not we at an inflection point. Like if Nvidia is losing key levels and NQ is hovering like at a level, maybe. It depends. If there's news that'll affect Nvidia like Taiwan or China, maybe. But not just on a daily basis. Just when it's relevant. Give me a minute. Right now I'm staring at these charts. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna cut this or Trying to decide what I'm finna do. I'm one of those ones that can't walk and chew bubblegum at the same time, so right now I gotta focus on these charts. I'm watching it right now, SB. This is a funded account. It's bad, but it's not over yet. It's not in the live markets, but I could take a payout on it. It's still sim, but you could take, like, I could take a payout on it, you know, if I had profits in the account. Right now I got a negative $800 balance. But all that could change if we find support here though. Yeah, it's Topstep. All right, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, man, this shit hurt, cuz. This shit bit back. But hopefully we could get this little nose dive and I could, it's probably like right up in here. I might try a long right here.
Order filled.
Should have went in with 2 this time too, shit. Ain't no telling, man. Think I'm about to get out right here, cause up at this level right here should be some resistance. I might try to get in lower. It just need to go up before this purple and gold line cross. So what, somewhere it need to go up in the next 30 minutes. Between now and the next like 2 30-minute candles, we need to be coming up to 951 or higher. Cause if these cross, then I'll probably be wrong for real. But I really want to get back above this gold, I want to get back above 950. And I feel better about this trade. Yeah. This about expected for the overnight though. I'm really just trading the price action and the moving averages. Like, I'm really just trading. Like, this is kind of bearish, but we right at a strong resistance, so I can see it coming down. But like this purple horizontal right here, that's probably would have been the best place to buy. I did have a level down here. This is the best long, way down here at 930, 940, like 932. Oh, yeah. Like, I can make a case for this white dash line somewhere around there being the spot to actually go long. Because in the past, that's been a decent inflection point. So, like, I could be early. I could be a lot early. We could have a lot lower to go. I can make a case for going lower. We could come down and find support between like 940 and like 930. Like this little 10-point area on the wick. If over the next, hour we trend lower. Wait, that's 8 o'clock in the morning. So if in the overnight we start trending lower, I might, if we break this purple line and build structure below this purple line and I still have an account, I might take the short down to here. I needed to run for more than a few minutes. I was trying to pick off the bottom. Oh, shit. I was trying to pick off the bottom. We can reject here. I do have a case for rejecting here and going to that level lower I was talking about. It's just, yeah, because that would make sense for us to sell off in the overnight. We might pump during New York session. We might sell off to that 940 level. $930, $940, somewhere up in there, about 10 points lower. And if that happened, I have to consider shorts. NQ was the play though. NQ just been trending up all night since it broke above these highs. Put in an inverse head and shoulders. It broke out to the upside. I should have been long NQ. That's a good $1,000 right there. Hopefully that's the bottom and I can hold it. My original goal was only to make $250, so even if I just make back my losses plus like another $200, if I make $1,100 on this trade, I might just take that. And $1,100 would be us getting back. Shit, I traded all the way down here on 2 lots. We'd have to make new highs. Damn, I fucked myself. Gold will have to get extremely bullish for me to be in profit. We'd have to go way up there. I might have to get out and reassess. I wish I would have went in with 2 down here though. Let me see what happens when we get the VWAP. If we reject VWAP, it still might be sellers on the tape. If we get above this purple MA though, that's where I'd be good. If we get above like 950, that'd be hella good. Yeah. Let me take this. I might leave that TP up there just in case. That's not a bad TP. But if we Let me see. If we break way up there, where that TP at? That TP is at 959.4. Where is 959.4 on like the 1 hour? Yeah, I should put my TP a lot higher. Like I could put a TP around 964. Because this shit can get bullish. Like, it's not that bearish, it's just bearish on the small time frames. Like, that low was a good entry. But I want to take out these highs at 964. I don't want to go back down there. That's pulling back. Rejected VWAP. If we get back above that, we keep if we get above that, get above this purple. We got a lot to do to get real bullish, but the mid to high time frame is bullish, right? So it's like, even though the low time frames are looking like this, like it could get bullish quick. If we get back above 951, 952 in the next 15 minutes, what the 15 minute look like? See, we need to hold that low we made. That's really what we need. The 3 minute was why I was so bullish though, because it looked like we just need to get above 951. We get above 951, this shit gonna look real bullish. But if we take out this low, I got a short. I might just get out here. Yeah. Yeah, the 15 minute chart is about what needs to flip bullish for gold to be bullish. I don't know why I just had this thing with bottom picking and not just taking the trend, but that probably would have been the best option. Let me see, have we ran any lows to the left? No, we probably gonna run this low. This liquidity below this low. Yeah, we probably going down here to the 940s, 930s before we get bullish. I might get stopped out on this trade. I know I'm too close to not get stopped out at this point. Let me move it down. $100, $90. This shit gonna run my stop by a little bit and go back up. Probably should have left it at break even. This would be a good time to use my entry as support. You know how gold like to do that. Because I don't think I'm gonna take a L. I'm close to taking an L, but I really ain't. I don't think I'm gonna take the L. Like, if we go too much lower, things gonna get bearish. If I take a L, I'm probably gonna start shorting. And probably wait for a pump and short. Because we got like about 10 minutes to start pumping up to break this high at VWAP. Like, I'm looking for some green candles. I probably should have added when it hit my entry, but I ain't got that much room in the account now. Like right here, right now, we need some green 1 minutes. We need to push up here in the next 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah. Right now I'm looking at the 3 minute. The 3 minute is what had me bullish, but I could be early. You might be right. Just take the L. I'm probably gonna add to this trade though, to be honest. Cause I feel like it could go up right here. Like right here at my entry. If I put a limit order there and we wick it one more time, that might be. I feel like this is where we go up. Welcome to the stream, by the way, BC. I don't think I've seen you here before. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. Whether you want to see whether I'm getting wrecked or not. Even getting wrecked is good content, but still, hit that thumbs up if you don't mind. Okay, that's what's up. Well, thanks for popping out in chat. I got about 7 minutes. How long it'll be until these cross? Somewhere around 38. I want to see this pump. I want to see us pump in the next 19 minutes or so. before the top of the hour. We should pump somewhere up in here. If we're gonna pump, it should happen soon. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like gold got the potential to move. I might have just been long and early. After that move we had today, a pullback is not uncalled for. You know, it's not out of the ordinary. Probably should have waited till Asia kills on. NQ was the move though. If it just would have went long on NQ when it broke above these highs, that was a decent range to trade. Decent chain. Yeah, right now we on gold, we on a PM session low. We held it as support. That's about where my entry is, down here. So yeah, I could put my stop at break even and try to hold for a PM session high. Yeah, me too. Sometimes I'll trade silver, but I might have a decent entry finally on gold. I think I'm gonna put my stop back at break even. What level is that? That's 49 even. Yeah, so up here. This is PM session low. Yeah, I really hadn't traded YM that much. A lot of people been telling me I should take a look at it though. I may take a look at some point. Gold is just not playing ball tonight though. Not the way I want it to. Yeah, I did. I got way ahead. I was trading two minis, thinking I had the bottom when we were up here. I got chopped up in this range trading two minis. It was too early in the night to be, but if I wanted to just go in with two, and then I missed a decent exit. Like we had a pump up. Where was it? Was it this one? It was one of these pump ups we had. Yeah, I got long here with two minis. I missed my scale out, and then took us. Yeah, I think that was it. It was one of these moves. But NQ was the play. So far we holding New York PM session low. Well, we were. We one tick away from it. Yeah. Yeah, that was my target earlier when I was getting long. I think we can go well above PM session high. This might be the move right here. I like this. If this green 1 minute stay bullish like this one of the most bullish candles we done had since this last run up. We just need to get above 950. I feel great if we get above 950. Get above 951.2. That's where I start winning again. We below the 20. Yeah, we should be above the 20. I think I'm using EMAs though. Yeah. Oh, you're on the 15-minute chart. Yeah. It's not looking bad anymore though. Yeah, I'm shit. I'm hoping it's the low. I don't want to take no more losses tonight. If it ain't the low, like I said, if it go below that low, we just made, I have to entertain us coming down here to 936. If we break this low, like, I'll be looking for a little bit lower. It's like a little bit of support below us, but I'm really looking to come up here and take out the high from Friday's high. That's what I really want to take out, Friday's high. Like, I know we got yesterday's high right here, but Friday's high at like 64, getting up to like 968. The extreme target, which I don't think we'll hit that today, although we can. Gold can put in a decent range. You know, if we do want to go up to like right below 3K, 29.84, this would be an awesome low to buy. If we take out yesterday's high, take out Friday's high, we got one resistance, and then we could have a decent run up. It could be a $3,000 day on a one lot. Right now we at 951.2. This was the area I wanna hold above here. Well, not hold, but I want to get above it first. I don't want this purple MA to cross this gold MA. If they cross, we could go lower. It's been a while since they've been crossed. Like a bounce. Hold on, let me get some more data in. Something like this right here, where we went below, we got back above it, and we kept them separated, and then they diverged. If we do that here, that'll be bullish. If we let them cross, then we could have some decent downside. When they cross, we could, you know, we could have some decent downside if they cross. But it looks like when they cross to the downside, it's not long. What is that, about 2 to 3 hours? 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours. So I don't know, man. It may be time for a pullback, who knows? 10 minutes on the next 15 minute, yeah. Roundabout right here was where I was looking. So now that we inside the range of the two of them, I really could move my stop like up some. I could put my stop at break even again, because if we get back down to my entry, it's probably gonna be bearish. From here, I want to go up only from here. I'm probably done trading this shit. If I get stopped out at this point, I'm done with gold. I'll probably work on my XFA. I mean my combine. I got a combine I could work on too. I need to put 1,500 in here and I could have 2 XFAs. I knew I should have went in with 2. I should have got back in with 2 minis, but I couldn't accept the risk. And I went against my rules too. I was supposed to lock out when I was down 250, so. But we slowly getting the gains back, and now I'm liking what I see. As long as we hold above 951.2. Let me put an alarm right there. Yeah, this is my second day in my XFA. I lost 200 yesterday. I had a decent red day yesterday. I was in the green. I lost 250 and locked out. Tonight though, ew, I got some room to recover. In my combine though, I was doing pretty good. I think I had nothing but a green day yesterday in the combine. So if I could put another day like this in the combine, then I might have 2 XFAs tomorrow. But I need to hold on to this one first before I go to talking about having 2. Yeah, see, man, if I would have went back in with 2, it's always a shoulda, coulda, woulda when in trading. Try to, man. I got a little ahead of myself today trading 2 minis. Yeah, see, now we at that resistance. Like on the 1 minute, we need to break back inside of this box. We don't need to come back down here. If we break inside of this box, I think Friday's high is right up here. If we could get back above not Friday's high, but yesterday's high. You need to win 2 or 5. Yeah, that's a good strategy. I'm trying to implement more rules to put the odds back in my favor. Yeah. I never have traded micros on gold. I trade micros on NQ, but micros on gold may be the play. Because it would be nice to scale out some up here, take half off, lock in some gains, and whittle away at this loss I've been in. But we bullish now. Like I'm back bullish again. Like we inside the range. I could put an alarm right here back outside the range in case we break back out. Maybe above this low down here we had earlier. Somewhere right here. If we hold above this little support, that turned resistance that we sold off from, We need Friday's high. I mean, yesterday's high is right there now. So it's like, this is a nice green candle. I'm glad I didn't stop trading. I ain't got all my losses back, but I put a dent on them. I could probably close out right here and try to find a pullback to rebuy. Yeah, man, this was the move I was looking for. Like, the shit could get very bullish. Like, it needs to push, but goddamn it, push. I know, right? I was just too early. But that's the move I was looking for. Appreciate it, man. It was hard, man. It's a thin line between going on tilt and revenge trading and just sticking to what you feel like is the play. And the worst part is it could all go to shit right now. But yeah, my stop is at break even though. So worst case, if I get stopped out, I'm probably done for the night. But I can make a case for a pullback here on the 6 minute. So like, we do got this. We are coming, according to my setup, this is where I could have took some profit and waited on a pullback down to 951. So we might revisit this 951 level, this purple EMA. Like, we could pull back from here. We could come back down to this purple MA. I could make that case too. I don't know why my colors change. It's supposed to be the arrow, maybe it's yellow. Yeah. Every time I log out of Topstep and log back in. But yeah, I could see us pulling back here and then taking this high. Cause we got, yeah, this would be a lower high. Yeah, we could put in a lower high here, a higher low, and then take out these. Or we could just keep motoring up. Appreciate it, SB. Market maker SB. I probably rushed them entries. I could have saved myself like $900 by waiting, but I didn't want to miss that move, man. If I would have had got it then on them 2 lots, you know what I'm saying? I always shoulda, coulda, woulda, but I'm not mad now. I'm mad I didn't follow my rules. Following my rules. Well, if I would have followed my rules, I'd be locked out of my XFA right now. Which I probably should be. But yeah, we might pull back here. I'm gonna see how we hold up on a pullback to like 951.2. Don't be greedy, just get a piece of the pie. Your work here is done. Alright, man, I'll catch you later, SB. Oh, no, I mean, I'm not being greedy. It's like I'm bullish on high time frames. This was a low time frame pullback, but like when I start looking at higher time frames, this is a setup for us to take out these highs. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just need this low to hold. This low that we put in, it just needs to hold. It's not being greedy. It's just trading my setup. It's just like, this is a mid time frame setup, and I was entering on a low time frame. So on the low time frames, it was pretty bearish, but this could potentially be the low of the night, the low of the daily candle. Yeah, it's nice to meet you too, man. Yeah, it's a thin line between, like I said, it's a thin line between all the stuff we do. But if that's the low of the night, and we have another day like yesterday in gold, let me look at the daily chart, see what the daily chart giving. Yeah, that could have been just a test of yesterday's close. And you know what I'm saying? We one decent green bar away from taking out Friday's high and putting in some decent highs on gold. Like all-time highs. We right below all-time highs. I don't consider it being greedy thinking that we could pump up from here. No, it's not. It's not. We take out yesterday's high. Let me put an alarm there. Yesterday's high is right here. We probably finna take it out right now as we speak. And then we got Friday's high from that sell-off we had. And then all-time high from Monday the 10th. Like, this shit could run, man. This shit could run tonight. This shit could run from right here. Sometimes I do. If you watch that live stream where I got cooked in 4K, buying every fucking red candle, that wasn't one of my best days. But hopefully tonight I know. I just meant you eat your pie. Yeah. I don't know. It's not much to do right here though. I think I'm just gonna let it sit. And like I say, I could get out right here and find another setup but that'll be trading my P&L. Like if I got out right here just because I'm only down 300 and look for a better setup and try, you know what I'm saying? I know we could come back lower. So like if I wanted to scalp this, I would close this position and try to get another entry around 950s. That might be the smart thing to do. Like it's account management and then position management. Like if I was managing my account well, I'd take profits right here. But if that's trading my P&L though at the same time. Oh, I forgot I still got an exit right here. I tell you what, I'll get out if we get at 64.2. I'm not. Even though that's a decent gain, I'm like bullish. I'm looking at the daily chart. Nice trade. Are you talking about? I hope you talking about this trade is a nice trade. That day it was hideous, cuz that trade was so hideous. See right here, this is the exit right here. Wait, did we just break Friday's high? I think we just took out Friday's high. So yeah, we bullish. We good to go. We good to go. I can move my stop up. Yeah, this trade is nice. Cool. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, I'm almost back break even on the night. See, if I would have had them 2 minis, man, I'd be up like 900. I was taking 2 minis I just, like SB said, I got in way too early. I should have waited, and then I'd be long with 2 minis from down there. I might take profit right here. Because I can see us pulling back. We ran liquidity above Friday's high. We could pull back down to, what level is this? 951. I can see us pulling back from here. But I don't want to overtrade. I like my entry. I don't want to get another entry. That was too hard. My thesis is higher. We just put a higher high on the daily chart. We didn't put a lower in. We tested yesterday's close. So it's like, it's not, I need to just let the trade play out at this point. follow the B-band up. Well, this is strong resistance right here on my 6-minute chart. It's telling me to get up. It's telling me to get out. Oh, nope, never mind. Forget that. We busting through that shit. I don't want to see a rejection here though. Like if a rejection comes, it'll be a big red candle right here. Like my 6-minute, if I go to my 6-minute chart, we like right here is where, if we're gonna reject, we could come down to 951, 952, but I don't know. I'm gonna let it play out. How many minutes on this 6-minute candle? We got 3 minutes, so let me look at the 3-minute. The 3-minute is hella bullish. The 3-minute, yeah, we could go up to 964. And I think that's where I had my TP at earlier. I think I'm gonna put that back. If we get up to 964, I'm gonna get out there. I'm you know what I'm saying, like 963.9. And then I'll see if I could get a lower entry. If not, I'll just call it a good day. If we could run up to 964, I'll take it. Even though I feel like we could go a lot higher. But hopefully it give me a pullback to buy. I might just trade my combine if I could get this TP. I know in a little bit. I just need to keep on pushing. What's up, Matthew? Oh man, I'm never gone. I'm always on the charts. Never too far away. I might be gone from this trade though if we start rejecting right here though. Back in that XFA, yeah man. Yeah, the XFA, and I got a combine waiting to finish too. I need 1,500 in this combine. I might have 2 XFAs tomorrow. I think if I get up here to my TP, I'm gonna use the rest of the night. I'm gonna lock out of the XFA. And ew. Yeah, see, I don't want a rejection right here. Let's see. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Try to. I was trading 2 minis earlier today. Wasn't. I get real degenerate. I have to watch myself. I'm usually in the Discord with my homies, and they try to keep me centered. They know I get real degenerate and size up when I'm overconfident. But yeah, man, what you looking at tonight? What's your play for the night? NQ gold, 2 minis is full port. I know, right? On a fresh XFA, it really is. It really was, because that was with the scaling plan. That was the most I could do. But I wasn't trying to hold it for the duration of the trade. Just like, you know, take some off like on a 1R. So that I could have a free trade, but it wasn't giving. It did give me a exit, but I was yapping, and missed my exit. Yeah, NQ. I'm super bullish on NQ, and I probably should have been looking at NQ tonight. But yeah, I could see it pulling back here. NQ. See what happens when it get to like 267-ish. Yeah, I'm not shorting it. No. No way am I shorting it. I'm looking for NQ to bust. I just think gold, the price action in gold is usually a little bit more. It has more follow through. I like the price action in gold. But in a minute, I might be taking NQ longs. It depends on if I could get to this TP. I probably, I don't know. I'm bullish on gold though, so it's like I might even move that TP. Like that TP is pretty conservative, but we might get a pull back there. I think I'll take that exit if we could get up there, and then try to buy the top of this box on a rejection from 64.6. And if we could come back down in this general area, I'll probably try to take another long. Yeah, every dip is getting bought on NQ. Yeah, man. Markets was looking bearish a week and a half or so ago, but not gonna lie, they look pretty good right now. If you just hold on to the account, we could all eat. Yeah. We're just finding resistance at the top of this box. I feel better when we break out of the top of this box. If we could break and hold above like 959.3. Let me put that up here, 959.3 right here. And this is my yellow box. Orange box. We break above that and build support. Where the bottom of that box at? I need to know that too. The top of it is 950. Well, that's 0.2. Move that down right there. And then the bottom of it, oh, it look like we finna take it out now. I hope we do. The bottom of that box is 952.9. Yeah, see, we rejecting it. 952.9. Where is that at? Right here. And the midpoint. Yeah, let's see how we act in this box. Hopefully in the next 6 to 12 minutes, we have another good push up out of it to the upside. Yeah. I done got 10K in payouts from Topstep, but that was last year. I almost feel like throwing away that because I hadn't took a payout in a while. But yeah, I done had 5 in payouts. I had 10. Hopefully I get some more. I start that trend back up, getting payouts. I'd like to take one in the next week or so. Especially if I could get this other funded. Trying to stay disciplined, man. It's not my strategy, it's just all psychological. I have a tendency to get degenerate. Yep, man. What prop firms you trading with? Topstep? Yeah, I had 7. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to start this year off good, man. Although we almost, 3 months into it, it's like, man, it's been a slow start. I had 9-4. That's awesome, man. Yeah, like my goal was to get up there on the leaderboard. Apex and Topstep. Yeah, I'm done with Apex. I tried them a few times. Yeah, Topstep is goated. I feel like Apex is too predatory. Too many rules, trail and drawdown, all that stuff, man. It's like, come on, man, just let me trade. Yeah, I want that leaderboard though this year. At least, I don't think it's too much to ask for to get on the to at least get 100K balance this year, whether it's live or XFA. Yeah, Apex is pretty restrictive. For real, man. And that's damn near what it comes to, because their accounts are so cheap, right? Like, they have them sales and they throw that carrot in front of you talking about, $20, $27, this, that, and the other. You could get the static drawdown. But, I mean, man, forget all that. Topstep, they got you could complain about the 50% payout rule, this, that, and the other, but like, all you really need to do is just not be degenerate and have some type of consistency, and you good at Topstep. Nah, it won't. Percenters? You might try five percenters. I hadn't heard of them. I have to give them a look. Yeah, I shopped around a little bit. The guy SB that was in here earlier, we go way back. We pretty good friends, and we were looking at different prop firms, and I tried a few, and I'm like, nah, man, I'm just settling on Topstep. I'm good. Because, like, I feel like the rules at Topstep, 39 for a 50K, that's not bad. But I feel like the rules at Topstep is like, if you could trade inside the guidelines Topstep have, overall, it'll make you a better trader if you're not with Topstep, Like, I don't feel like they trying to cheat me just to keep me buying combines. The CEO will get on Topstep TV and even say it like they really don't. They just put in rules. You can only buy so many combines a month. So it's like, you need to take these combines seriously. Like, so it's like, when I see stuff like that, it's like they don't want your money from buying combines. They want your money from being a good trader so they could copy your trades and trade alongside of you. So it's like, when I see stuff like that, yeah. Yeah, trader math for how you feeling like, I'm gonna be rich next month, I'm gonna have $1 million. And it's possible, but the whole thing is you don't wanna just have the flash in the pan money. You really do wanna be, grow consistently, and just scale up slowly. But it's so hard. It's not hard to do, but psychologically it's hard just to be disciplined and put boundaries on yourself, because nobody will. I mean, the prop firms will try, but like, even their rules, like, nobody will just make you trade responsibly. Yeah. Topstep. I was talking about Topstep. Topstep, the rules. Like, like even the payout policy, taking 50% out is at the most. You know what I'm saying? Don't just like stuff like that. Like if you had a live account, leaving that cushion in, getting 5, consecutive $200 days, like as a minimum to take that payout. Saying like, you know what I'm saying? Don't just be making withdrawals from your account, and leave that cushion in. Like if you just look at their rules and ask like, what does it mean? Like how does this benefit me? There's usually a benefit for each one of their rules. It's not like, I never felt like they were trying to just make money off of me buying combines. Look like I need to watch this here. We rejecting at that 6-minute level. I know, right? Right? Let me see what we finna do here. I don't think we coming back down to my entry. That might be like the best. That might be the low of the day. Like if that's the low of the day, if we could displace above this high, this shit is gonna look awesome. I'm telling you, I might get rid of this TP and just keep, even though I'm in drawdown, just keep this as a runner. Even though, because it don't look bad here. We might range sideways for a while here though. It's storming outside. Yeah, I really don't want to break that low we put in on this pullback. That's a good spot for a bounce. Let's see if we could take out that high. The 3-minute is still bullish. Yeah, I want to take out that high. But I can see us coming to the bottom of the box, finding support, ranging, and coming out. Probably close to Asia kill zone, the end of Asia kill zone. But when I look at the higher time frames, yeah, we could sell off here. Ooh, I don't like that. We need to pump up now. Or we could take out that low we put in. I might exit this trade. But the other time frames are still bullish. What time frame was that I was looking at? The 18-minute. Yeah, we need to hurry up and take out that high. I'm starting not to like this trade. What is NQ doing? Yeah, it's selling off. Hell, I might take a short on gold micros against this position if we take out this low, because I'm losing faith. Not that faith is a strategy, but I'm starting to see ways that this could turn bearish if we don't take this high out pretty soon. Okay. Yeah, we might have just ran liquidity and go above prior day's high. I don't want to sell off here. If we sell off, yeah, I see NQ over here. NQ's pulling back. Gold look like it might do the same. There we go. It needs to stay. I might move my stop up. Oh no. Yeah, we finding sellers above yesterday's high. It might be London before we get this place higher. Because I want to say yesterday, if I remember right, yesterday in London, let me go to the kill zones. Yesterday in London we ranged, and it was the end of London that gave us the pump up. We had a big displacement in Asia. We went sideways for a few hours all the way to the end of London kill zone. And then we had the massive pump after London going into New York. So we've taken out yesterday's high and we're finding resistance at it. So I need to see what's going to happen here. Give me a sec. I'll get you the name of it. Let me put an alarm right here real quick. It's called, I think this is the one right here. Yeah, it's called ICT kill zones and pivots. It's on TradingView. You just search ICT kill zones and pivots. Nah, it's not on Topstep X. It's on TradingView. Topstep X hadn't got custom indicators yet. I think it's in the works, but it's not there yet. Come on, we need to get above this high. Stay above Friday's high. No problem. See if we can push on this one. Break these highs on this push up. Make a higher low. We back at that 6-minute resistance. Let's see if we can break this high right here. This would be a good exit again. Keeps coming back to this level. We need to push. Strong push. At this point, I could put my stop up. Damn sure don't need to break even anymore. Maybe I'll put it outside the box. I don't want to come back down there. I think I'm gonna exit this trade. Let's see. I'll be right back. I'm finna use the bathroom. What I miss? Not much. Still think I should exit this trade though. Have it. Let me take a look at NQ. What is NQ doing? NQ is so bullish. God dang, I should be running NQ. I need to know when NQ breaks above here. Nah, I can't buy this shit. I could buy it down here. I don't know when it gets down there. And Q might make a run higher from right here. Whoa, what was that? I heard an order field. Gold breaking down. Got stopped out on gold. Yeah, gold could come down a little bit. Freaking gold. Nah, you didn't miss much, man. I got stopped out on gold. But I'm going to try to get a lower entry. I'm going to re-enter in a bit. Still bullish, but I think we could. I'm going to see how we act around VWAP in the bottom of this box if we could get down here. Really, I don't even want to get that low. Maybe to this purple in there. Maybe we get down there on the wick. If we have a strong impulse down move, they get bought right back up here in a minute. We can get a decent sell-off. I'll rebuy. So like 59, 52.9. The 786. Yeah, I never really got big in the fields. I know, like with ICT, he had an optimal trade entry. I tried that for a while. But hold on, I think gold about to give an entry in a minute. Let's see here. I think I'm finna enter with 2 minis. If we could push down. Here we go. Oh, is that the entry? No, a little lower. Come on, a little lower. Maybe I get in 1 here. If I could get tagged in. Oh, I might not get tagged in. Come on, tag me in. Maybe I should shoot for the bottom of the box. A little bit above VWAP. I don't know. There's an entry to be had here, though. About right here. Did we ever touch the top of the box? We didn't touch it, but we got him close. Appreciate it, man. Welcome to the stream, Elliot. Just trying to get some of this overnight price action, man. Just vibe and chill and look at some candles. See if we could get a push up from here, though. Really don't want to. I can move my stop up, really. I don't want to risk much on this. I do want to see a push up. Give it some room to breathe. I'm long one from 53. Not bad. Awesome, man. Yeah, that's not a bad entry at all. I'm about to scale out of one of these two right here, I think. You short and gold, long in Q. I dig it. We are at yesterday's high, so I could see it. I'm looking for a nice push up tonight, though. Come on, let me get a. Oh, what are we doing? Stop loss at 51. Yeah, 51.2 was the spot I was looking for to enter earlier. So I can see that. That's a good stop. If we bullish though, we don't need to stay down here long. We need to push up pretty strong from here. Ew. It almost got me too, man. Oh. I want to see a candle just like that, but green. Not looking good for the home team, though. Yeah, so when I think about it, all right, we ran liquidity above yesterday's high. We rejected that area up there, and now we're back under the previous day's high. Like, I don't want to displace from this area, or I'm gonna have to entertain that long from much lower. So we need to push up about right here. Yeah, I was doing it, but I just lost track of it. I stopped logging into my paper account. This is the first time I've seen them do futures, and like once I started seeing like people, you know, I stopped early in the challenge. Like I didn't see myself winning because people had like 500K balances and shit at the time. I know they probably up like a couple mil by now because it was like day 2 or 3. They were at 500K. Really day 1 was 3 and 500K, and I was sitting there with like 1K, 2K. So I stopped. I'm gonna take, I should take a look and see what the leaderboard look like. What's the number 1 on the leaderboard? What P&L realized they have so far on the challenge? I came pretty close to winning one of them. Like not winning number one, but getting a few months free of trading view. That would have been nice. Yeah, the leap, the leap. Yeah, 5 million in gains. See? And that was back when I was shorting in Q. You got stopped out. I'm still holding on. If I get stopped out, it's gonna be a heck of a loss. I really don't want to. I don't want to get. Nobody wants to get stopped out though, but it's like so close to my stop. I'm risking 500 on this trade. It looked like it's about to happen. Yeah. I mean, they had Bitcoin futures and everything in there. And I think, yeah, it was some pretty big moves happening in the market when the challenge first started. So I could see, I mean, if you got a good start, you know. And then you got people that are scalping. Like when I'm playing like usually I'm trading my combines and all that kind of stuff during the daytime. So it's like I'm not actively trading the leap. I just put a position on and let it run. So it's like I can't compete against somebody that's actively scalping and only trading the leap. Like if they not trade, I don't know, maybe they paying attention to their live accounts and the leap, then, you know, good for them. But it's like I want to win the leap, but I'd much rather do better on, you know, dance with the one that brought you. Yeah. Come on, go. Let's go. Gotta talk to us sometimes. I forgot it was still printing. We got a long way to go to the upside for you to be dicking around down here. It's about to stop me out. I see it. It looked like it just wanna probably run my stop and bounce right up. I bet it's liquidity right below my stop too. My liquidity is this low. So yeah, if I get stopped out, we might take that low out. We might be headed there now. What I got guarding my stop, like this little peak right there. Not much. I'm probably about to get stopped out. That'll be most unfortunate. That'll suck. We need to push up. Yeah, see, I'm the opposite. I like trading during slow markets. I hate New York day session. It moves too quick. Like right now, how I have time to think about whether or not I want to get cooked or not. And in the daytime, and then you can size up in the overnight too. Like I am in 2 minis. I wouldn't dare do this if it was the middle of New York session. London is a bit better though. Yeah. Like I will trade New York, but I have to have a cushion from the overnight. And I'll probably risk like a portion of my gains. But like starting off fresh, it sucks taking a loss like in the first hour of New York, because it's probably, not to say I didn't have a massive loss tonight already. I was down pretty decent earlier tonight. I want to say I was down 9 or 12 at one point. 12 on the account, 9 on the day. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, London is pretty good too. It's kind of like the three bears. Am I about to get stopped out? Are you really finna just stop me out? And see, if I get stopped out right here, it'll likely be like a wick. But it's a stop out nonetheless. Come on, I could push though. You need to push.
Order filled.
Now watch it go up. I think I'm about to re-enter. Nope. That's what's up. I should follow my rules. It'd be a lot more healthier, but honestly right now, I'm not willing to give up on long and gold. It's just the truth of the matter. I'm gonna try to find one more dip to buy. It may come from down here, like around 947. Right around this level. 947.1. Somewhere up in there. Two real trades. I'll get you a link in a minute. Let me stalk this entry real quick. See if we get this pushed down. I could have just hit the reverse button. Yeah, I used to trade on BitMEX back in the day. So, and FTX back in 2017. I'm not really into trading crypto right now though. Okay. Come on down. Since you want to dump, go on dump. What are we doing? We running the low? Where was that previous low? Right there, right above it. We need to get back down there. Man, that 6 hour, that high. I should have got out at that high. That was a nice exit. It would have been. It's gonna give me a good entry though down here too. Yeah, I don't think it's over for it though. Still bullish. It's like an entry coming up right up in here, I think. Ooh, it just wicked my doggone level. I didn't enter. Let me see if I could. Let me see if I could. It could slow down up in here. Cause like right here would be. I might get in with one right here.
Order filled.
Oh, I didn't want to get in way up there. I shouldn't have market ordered. Do I add a second lot? Ew. Come on, what we finna do?
Order filled.
Alright. Might be getting wrecked, man. Shit's nasty.
Order filled.
I think I just got wrecked. Well, I could try switching to micro gold for the last little bit on this account. Put in 5 micros. See if we get down to what level is this? Fuck. 936. Shit, bro. I left to take dinner and came back to this. Yeah, man. That was a hell of a sell-off. Real quick, like, for it to be overnight. Was there news? I bought the dip that kept on dipping. It just kept dipping. Like, ew. I got stopped out and I got back in. Yeah. I want to get long again, but my combine's good. It's the XFA that's wrecked.
Order filled.
Combine's great. my XFA is over with though. All combines are always great, right? Like we all do good in combines. Fuck. Yeah, man. It does suck. Royally suck. Because, like, in 12 hours, I'll look at the gold chart and I'll be like, oh, look how bullish it looks. Straight up from right where I got stopped out. That's what I'll be saying in about 12 hours. If only I hadn't over leveraged. The same story. And then I'll trade the combine and I'll pass it and then I'll be back in the XFA. And then hopefully I follow the rules. Or here's the alternative. I just scalp it back on these micros. Maybe I just trade micro gold from now on, because hell, maybe I just trade micros. Gold isn't bearish. It's just I was over leveraged a bit. Not a bit, a lot. No, man. Don't do like me trying to get money back. Like, once it's gone, you getting new money at that point. I don't know. Because earlier tonight, I could have got my money back. I don't know. Just, you got to trade your setup. I can't tell you. We all in this same journey together. But I like to think that I was rules-based. And it's a combine. Yeah. Yeah, if I blow this XFA, I might come back in London, take like a little break and come back in London for the combine. I'm really not ready to give up on this XFA though. Bro, that's the worst. That is the worst. You think you know what I'm saying? Oh, I could trade forever, and you quit your day job, and then you got your XFA. You just took a payout. You're like, oh, I got this. Hell yeah, it is. What's worse than that is blowing an XFA in 4K on YouTube live. It's like when I look at the videos where I blew accounts, it's like, dude, I gotta chill. Yeah, if I paid more attention to my business, I would be doing super great. But now, even now, I get calls and I'm like, man, I want to trade. But you can't, yeah, you can't just give up on the main source. Right. Yeah, you got, like, if you, and that's why I'm not going live, like putting money in like a, you know what I'm saying, in a live with a live broker, Because if I'm doing this on the XFA, and I know if I put like 5 racks in a live account, I would just do the same thing. So until I get past like my pitfalls on these combines and XFAs, I know for sure I'm not ready to trade at a live broker. Because like a night like tonight would be 17K of real money. Well, this is real money, but money that I worked hard for and put in there, not just money from, and I treat it the same. Like I can take a payout on this, but at the same time, I don't know, I still could come back from this though. I'm not, like I said, I'm not ready to give up on it yet. Yeah, that's a smart move. Yeah, it is. I know, right? Yeah. Like, imagine having to learn these lessons without prop firms, though, Like, not only just learning your strategy and then learning risk management, but then at the same time learning account management too. Like, prop firms are a godsend. But I might be done for the night. I think I got their little courtesy $100 left in the XFA before it's gone. It's probably the last trade. It's either the account's blown or I make 500. Either this is the low or I come back in London and try it with the combine. That shit happens so fast. No, I'm not beat up over it. It does suck though, but I'm not beat up over it. I still got a XFA right here that's 1 day from being passed, so I'm not finna trade it immediately after blowing this account though, cause that'll be tilt trading. But I'm pissed off, but I'm not beat up. Oh yeah, the Discord link. I could do that now. Give me a sec. It's not my Discord, it's my homeboy's Discord, but I gotta turn off streamer mode. Give me a sec. Invite people. Paste. Yeah, here's the Discord link. Watch it just push up. After taking all my money. Yeah, the messed up part is I came in thinking I should just go long on NQ, which would have been awesome because I would have been long from like right here. I think I did have a long at one point, but it was a fat finger. I meant to be trading GC, but that was a hell of a long on NQ. Gold isn't bearish, but it didn't play. I didn't play it right. I rushed trades. I rushed entries. Over leveraged with two minis. There's a lot of things I did wrong. I'm $7, $2, $20, $17, $12 away from blowing this bitch. There we go. Alright guys, I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Gonna take me a break from trade and chill out. I guess now I could get something decent to eat. Oh fuck. I'll catch y'all later. Appreciate y'all for keeping me company though. Y'all be easy. Have a good rest of y'all night and trade safe. Yep. I'll probably be back on in London. I'm probably not gonna trade no more tonight though until at least London. I'll see what gold looks like and maybe put some trades in the combine. Catch y'all later though.